These DIYs are insane! Thanks for joining us on Ready, Set, Viral. Let's talk about these genius DIYs. Number 1, fixing a bucket. Have you ever had a bucket that's cracked in the bottom so you can no longer use it? Don't worry. All you need to do is get a strip of paper towel and dip it into a bowl of acetone. Then, once you're done with that, use a knife or a scraper to spread it all over the hole or crack in your bucket. Once you're done and it's all dry, you can perfectly use your bucket again. Number 2, spice up your bedroom lamp. All you need to do is first place a towel down and get a piece of foam paper that can actually fit around your lamp. Once you do that, get a printout of a world map and place it over top of the foam paper and poke all of the holes in all of the land spots. Once you're done, you can glue it or tape it onto your bedroom lamp and it makes an amazing addition. Number 3, a hook on your wall. If you don't have the energy to go out and get some wall hooks, all you need to do is get an old binder that you're not using and get out the inner part with the hooks. Now, get some double-sided tape or screw them into your wall and you'll have a hook for all of your daily needs. Number 4, DIY rainbow light bulb. This is an amazing DIY. All you need is some different colored markers and the light bulb, of course. Get some different colored markers and start drawing the colors all over the light bulb. Once you're done and plug it in, it'll make some rainbow colors. Number 5, a new way to clean your boots. All you have to do is place 2 ends of a broom on parallel sides to each other and you'll be able to rub your boots off super easily before going inside. Number 6, an amazing piece of wall art. For this one, you're going to need a canvas to start. Get some different colored markers and start drawing them in patches on the canvas just like we are. Then get 96% alcohol and pour it all over the canvas. Once it's dry, it'll look like an amazing tie-dye art piece. Number 7, candle or light holder. This one is a really cool candle or light holder if you're really into nature. First, get a balloon and blow it up to the size you'd like your holder to be. Then, get multiple pieces of sticks and hot glue them onto the balloon. Once you're done with that and the hot glue is all dry, pop the balloon inside and you'll be able to easily place a candle or a light bulb into it and hang it from your ceiling or just leave it on a side table. Number 8, outer candle holder. This one's really similar to the last DIY we just showed you. It's super nature oriented. Get a candle and start placing sticks inside of an elastic band on the outer layer of the candle. Then, once you're done, get a rope and place it all around the sticks. Once you're done, it'll look absolutely amazing, especially when the candle is lit up. Anyways, guys, that's all the DIYs we have for you today. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never miss out on a future video from us. And until we see you guys next time, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen and have a great rest of your day. Bye now!